So 3D printing is not a new technology. It has been a technology that's been around since the late 1980s, and so it's not new. But what is new is the ability to do mass production in 3D printing.
We are an additive manufacturing-focused service company. We do work for any company, any industry, any vertical that you could think of. Traditionally, we've been a prototyping company, and with the introduction of this HP equipment into the market, we've been able to actually get into full production runs with this new technology.
So our growth has been significant with the HP multi-jet fusion technology. The main industries that are really driving it are the healthcare side, the aerospace side, and industrial products. There are new products that could not exist without this technology.
We brought on our first 2 MJF machines in the third quarter of 2017. It wasn't too far into the first quarter where we were running our first 12 machines that we had a demand and needed 6 more. We plugged in 18. The day that they were plugged in, that equipment was full.
We are today now up to 24 machines with 72 build units running 3 shifts 24/7, and we expect that to continue to grow.
What has turned a corner for us is the throughput. The fact that we can push so many parts so quickly through this equipment and at a cost never before seen has really been the game changer. What we're doing today and what we've been able to do this year, inside of September here, we will produce 1.5 million parts through our MJF lab. This is new territory.
We have entered the era of digital manufacturing. It's happening. So if a company is not doing it, they're behind on the curve already. And we want to continue leading in this space.
Digital manufacturing is here, and Forecast 3D and HP are leading the way.